Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video we are going to make this basic model by using the SolidWorks software. So let's open a part first. You can see here the default unit is millimeter gam second. So I'm going to choose the top planes. So take sketch and I'll go for a command called rectangle and I will make a rectangle and I'll just keep the relation here. So I'll just click on this line and select this origin, give the relation here midpoint. Now I'll be choosing dimension, so I'll give this side this line length which is 18 plus 24 and this line is having the length of 66 mm. Now you can see here your sketch is like this. You have here one more options called chamfer. So you have to go to the chamfer and click on this chamfer. So I'll just go with the distance and I'll give the distance here 12. So click on this corner and click on this corner. Now exit from the sketcher. Go for the extruded base boss and give their extruded height is 12 mm. Just go with this OK. Now I will choose this face. Click on this face, go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will do here one thing. I'll just choose here line like this and I want to make a sketch which is like this and connect this point, and you can make it close also. Now what we'll be doing here, we will be giving the overall dimension is 60. So click on the dimensions, hold shift key, start from here and click on this line. Now you can see here, so this overall dimension is 60 here. So give the value here 60. Now we'll be giving the relation this and this, having the relation tangent. Now you can see what is happening here. I need to give here one more relation, that is this point and this point has to be vertical. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base and reverse the directions. Give the extruded height 12 mm. So you can see here, last time I have used the 12 mm value, so it's just I need to go here with the OK. Now I will choose here the front plane and I'll go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will select here one line and I'll start it somewhere here and I'll just join it to here. Now you can see we have to give the dimension here. This height is from here to this line, height is 42. Now come out from the sketch and go for the rev command. So click on this rev and I need to give the rev thickness here 12 mm. Just go with this OK. I'll just do here one thing. I'll just change the appearance here. Apply here any appearance. I'll apply this and I'll change the view mode and I'll change the background. So now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.